Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। लॉकडाउन 4.0 एक्टिवेट हो गया है एंड बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में इसका इम्पैक्ट दिखाई दे रहा है। आई नो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू ओपन ऑफिसेज एंड रीजॉइन देम, बट प्लीज़ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को मेंटेन रखिए, मास्क एंड हैंड सैनिटाइज़र का यूज़ करते रहिए एंड प्लीज़ अपना ध्यान रखिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, सेफ रहिए। लास्ट वीक वी हैड प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ सावधान इंडिया मिस्टर माहिर खान एज आवर गेस्ट एंड उनके साथ हमने की बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बातें और उनके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जाना। टुडे वी हैव अनदर गेस्ट who inspires millions with his hit TV shows and social media presence. आप उनको पिछले 20 सालों में अलग अलग किरदारों में देख चुके हैं। कसौटी जिंदगी की, कश्मीर, जीत, वो रहने वाली महलों की, महाराणा प्रताप, मेरी दुर्गा जैसे हिट शोज करने के बाद आज वो घर घर में इंस्पेक्टर गुरमीत सिंह रंधावा ऑफ दिल्ली पुलिस के नाम से जाने जाते हैं। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज जॉइन मी इन वेलकमिंग Mr. Ankur Nair. Let's connect with him. Hi Ankur, how are you?
Very good, Sujay. How are you?
Good. What's happening in the lockdown? How are things?
Lockdown. I think it's probably the best time I can get with my kids. Yeah.
Right.
जब से मतलब it's the best time. I'm really enjoying this lockdown और ऐसा ना ही कभी ऐसा होने वाला है और ना ही आज तक कभी ऐसा हुआ है. So I think it is the best time we can make use of this time, spending time with kids, enjoying with them. So this is how my lockdown has been going, and I'm really enjoying it.
Oh, nice. So you've got how many kids? You've got
just two of them, yeah.
I remember. Yes. And last week also we were in conversation with Mahir. From I mean he's you two are working together right now, and we had
he's
mentioning a few bits about you as well, and
he's a producer, man. I have to talk amazing things about him. अभी भाई ने पेमेंट देनी है ना इसलिए
good one
I have to talk great things about him, yeah.
Right.
So, the goodness about Mahir, we can like go on for the entire episode.
Yes. I'm sure and he would love to.
You understand? I'm paid to say that. I'm paid to say that.
And I'm sure he'll be very happy to hear those lovely things all through the day.
Yeah.
So, what are the current projects that you're working on?
See, right now I am doing Saavdhan and the Saavdhan India FIR series. What happens like with Saavdhan, it's a different show altogether. I mean, like it consumes around 30 days in a month. We shoot 3 days for a story, and then there's a gap probably for a day, and then again 3 days for a story, and then gap for a day, and then we guys are shooting in Delhi. So you can't commute like Delhi up and down. So you have last time when I was in Delhi when we were shooting for the series, so I was in Delhi for like almost 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 months you guys were there, the entire team was there, and you can't do anything else. When you're shooting for Saavdhan, you can't do anything.
Yes, focused,
and I'm loving it.
All 100% focus.
भाई टाइम ही नहीं ना किसी और चीज के लिए, फोकस तो होना पड़ेगा.
Right. And I think Saavdhan India का इस वक्त तो the show is a blockbuster hit. I mean the TRPs are off the charts and everything, and people are just loving it. They are glued onto it. I was just talking to Mahir also last week. My father is such a big fan of this show that he's like the moment an episode gets over and वो उनको मेरे को आके बताना होता है कि भाई इस एपिसोड में ये हुआ, इन चीजों से बच के रहा करो. एंड स्टैंडर्ड आई थिंक ये हर हाउसहोल्ड में होता है ये.
भाई सावधान का ये है कि इवन आई हैव बीन अ फैन ऑफ सावधान. सो व्हेन माहिर आस्क्ड मी ओके अंकुर ये करना ये सब, आई वाज लाइक जस्ट जंप्ड ऑन द बोर्ड. आई जस्ट जंप्ड ऑन बोर्ड कि यार मुझे करना है, आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस शो बिकॉज़ this is like the real thing. This is like the real stories. This is the real scenario. We are shooting like there are no artificial sets, no costume drama, no artificial sets, nothing. We are shooting in the live location. Sometimes we're shooting Daryaganj mein, Delhi 6 mein. Real police stations we are using, which I don't think anyone else could have managed had it not been for Mahir Khan.
Yes.
Being very honest.
Yes.
और मतलब जिस सिनेरियो में हम शूट कर भी रहे थे, जब अभी इस साल देखा जाए, ये साल जब से शुरू हुआ है, कुछ ना कुछ उल्टा सीधा चल ही रहा है. जैन में भी मतलब दिल्ली में जो हालत थी, जैन में, फेब में, things have never been normal since the time this year has begun.
Year has started, yes.
हाँ, तो पर हमारा मतलब शूट we somehow managed to pull it off. माहिर managed to pull it off, I would say that. हमारा तो ये होता है कि मतलब भाई बाहर पता नहीं, हो सकता कर्फ्यू लगे, क्या हो, कल सुबह शूट करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, but we managed it. तो ये ऐसी लोकेशन, ये ऐसी चीज है सावधान की, आप real locations, you're running after chasing, running after all those kind of things. So I like these kind of things, yeah. जो कमरे में बैठ के जो 2-4 रिएक्शन दिए, ये किया वो किया, these are like more my kind of shows. I love this kind of shows.
Okay. And see, let's say lockdown भी हुआ है. Where are you stuck in lockdown right now? मतलब which city, which location?
I'm not stuck. I'm enjoying it to the core. I'm in my apartment in Mumbai.
Okay.
But it's just like, I'm being honest with you, I'm calling it apartment. Otherwise, I call my villa.
Oh yeah.
You know?
Right.
Yeah.
Now,
so when my friends ask me, where are you? I'm in Nair Mansion. That's how I managed to put it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And there are during lockdown, I think Amazon and these Netflix have come up with beautiful series, and people have been getting hooked on to them. What do you think about? What's your opinion on the digital shows that are happening, which are non-network shows? What do you think? What is the future, or what is the future of a network? I mean, well, I'm 100% sure that the reach is lesser, but still they are doing pretty well. What's your opinion?
No, that's the future. That is the future. In fact, I have never been a kind of person who could have seen any of the. I hadn't seen a single series till now on Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. I hadn't seen a single series till now, till the time lockdown had begun. But Special Ops on Hotstar. That was first series that I saw, and I loved it.
Yes.
I absolutely loved it. I was glued to it. Not just me, my mother. We both were watching. We both were glued to it, and we were looking forward to. Acha, discover here next episode aayega. Next episode next episode aane wala hai. So we managed to wrap up the entire series in like 2 days.
Yeah. That's what binge watching is. Everybody.
Yeah. So I feel that is the future.
Yeah.
Digital medium is the future, because in fact after watching that show, I was Hotstar and all those kind of things. I spoke to Mahir. I was like, भाई ऐसा तो नहीं होगा लॉकडाउन खत्म होने के बाद हमारी ऑडियंस पूरी शिफ्ट हो जाएगी. You know, I mean, that was the fear I had. I mean, ऐसा तो नहीं हमारी ऑडियंस पूरी शिफ्ट हो जाएगी. Because what happens, like person like me, my mother, we never saw like anything on the digital platform before. I mean, though we have Hotstar, like Netflix and Amazon, every सब कुछ घर पे है, पर कभी देखा नहीं था.
Correct.
पर अब ऐसे और लोगों को आदत पड़ रही कि यार ये नया कंटेंट आया, let's watch it. और 40 दिन बहुत टाइम होता है यार लोगों की आदत बदलने की.
बहुत ज्यादा टाइम होता है.
So I think this lockdown is basically blessing in disguise for the online portal, digital medium.
True.
भाई अब तो कितनी मूवीज आ रही हैं यार. मैंने ये अक्षय कुमार की मूवी आ रही है.
Correct. They are not releasing. They are releasing directly on digital media.
Amazon और Netflix.
Yes. So
या Hotstar पे कर रहे हैं. मतलब अक्षय कुमार की आ रही है, इनकी आ रही है, अमिताभ बच्चन, आयुष्मान खुराना. So I mean, like massive star cast. Yeah, it's a blessing in disguise for these people.
Right. So generally, amongst your busy schedule, you are shooting for how many hours a day?
यार, you know my producer so well यार, मैं ये कैसे बता दूं?
नहीं,
भाई कहेगा यार क्यों पोल खोल रहा है यार?
My point is the
normally we are supposed to work for 12 hours in a day.
Okay. So I'm sure थोड़ा बहुत शॉट के बीच में ब्रेक होता होगा. What do you do in those breaks?
यार, I love talking to my co-actors.
Achha.
I love talking to my cast, my co-actors. I'm not a kind of person who carries mobile to the set. I seldom carry mobile to the set.
Okay.
I'm not a freak like, okay, fine, there is a break, so let me just update my picture on Instagram or probably a TikTok kind of a thing or something like that.
तो ये जो co-actors से बातें होती हैं, this is all professional बातें या मतलब गप्पे personal इधर क्यों?
गप्पे भाई, गप्पे प्रोफेशनल बातें तो घंटा नहीं होती लाइफ में यार. तो इधर उधर की बातें होती हैं. तो
okay.
मतलब यहाँ सब वही चलता है. जब यार आप एक टीम के साथ, आप एक कास्ट के साथ हो 30 दिन 60 दिन 90 दिन आपका जब आउटडोर शेड्यूल चल रहा है, तो वो becomes a family.
Right.
So I mean, yeah, so that becomes a family. They know everything about you, your family. You know everything about them, their family. So वो एक concern तो हो ही जाता है यार, मतलब somehow or the other किसी को. और जब आप आउटडोर शेड्यूल में हो तो maybe some actor he has some problem. जो दिल्ली के एक्टर्स हो या कहीं और के कोई एक्टर्स हैं, या आउटडोर है तो किसी और के कहीं के एक्टर्स हैं, तो किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, तो आपस में कंसर्न होता है.
राइट.
तो किसी का अगर एक का भी इशू होता है तो वो कंसर्न सॉल्व करने में उस बंदे का सारा दिन निकल जाता है.
करेक्ट.
बट नॉर्मली it's a very happy and a very jovial team that we have there.
आई एम श्योर रेसिपीज डिस्कस होती हैं, गर्लफ्रेंड्स डिस्कस होती हैं, ये कार्स. Cars. When there are boys, it has to be cars. Yeah. It has to be cars.
Nothing better than cars. Yeah.
What car do you like? What's your favorite one?
What's my favorite? My favorite has been 5 Series. I always love 5 Series. Yeah, okay. I loved it.
Okay.
And now when I have 5 Series, I want to buy a 7-seater.
Okay.
I have, that's next on the radar. I would love to have a 7-seater.
All right.
Now a big car like a 7-seater, so I can take my family for the kids for a drive. And I'm basically from Pathankot, Punjab. So I want to do a road trip with my kids. Nice. Take them around and do all those kind of things.
You can always log into a website called carlo.in, and you can talk to portfolio managers there. And they will guide you with a good 7-seater. That's what their job is. So do log on to carlo.in, where they will... Carlo.in. Yes.
Okay. That's quite a popular website. Yeah? Whenever you and Facebook or probably Instagram, you open something, their thing pops up. It's quite a popular...
Yes. And of course, the show is also sponsored by them. So I have to mention that blatant advertising as well.
Super, yeah.
Now that you're talking about cars. So now, Ankur, I have a small segment where we call this segment as a one word, one line, quick answer. So let's begin this segment. These are very personal questions that the audience that love you don't know about you. These are something like, do you like the horror genre?
Horror genre?
Genre, yeah.
Horror?
Yes.
No. Yes. I'm scared.
No, never want to act
I'm a very phattu person. No, I can act in one, but I can't see one.
अच्छा, तो मतलब एक्ट करके क्रेडिट होके सामने आ जाए तो देखना नहीं है.
ना भाई, पैसे मिल जाएंगे ना, बस काम हो गया ना. पैसे मिल गए, काम हो गया. मैं जब मुझे देखना पड़े, then I'm very phattu kind of person. I can't watch horror.
Okay.
I can't.
All right. Where did you grow up? As in schooling?
In Punjab.
When you born? You were in Pathankot all along?
Yeah.
Schooling and...
Yeah, till 12th, I was till the 12th I was in Pathankot. After I came to Delhi for my economics honors. So then I came to Mumbai. I did from College of Vocational Studies.
Oh, CVS. Okay.
CVS. Yeah.
CVS, Bhagat Singh. Aspas.
Bhagat Singh, CVS. Yeah, I mean, half the time I say Bhagat Singh because most of the people, they don't understand CVS.
Yes.
They say, oh, you are from CVS, so you must have done some kind of vocational course. I said, no, dude, I have done economics honors.
Right.
I have done economics honors. Okay. So that's how.
What do you do on Sundays? Sunday afternoon kya hai? What is the definition of a Sunday afternoon for you?
For an actor, there is nothing like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. For an actor, like when you are home, that's Sunday for you. The days you're home, or probably the day you're home, that's Sunday for you. And for me, the perfect day is like, when I come, like I work out and I spend time with my family, with my kids. So I love that kind of a day, whether it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay. So talking about working out, are you a fitness freak?
I am. Yeah, I love to work out.
What's your working out schedule like? How many hours do you spend on working out?
Oh, it's like an hour and a half.
Okay.
To 2 hours max. Yeah, an hour and a half mostly.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. And what's your favorite holiday destination?
Favorite holiday destination? I would not say that I have been a kind of person who has been repeating my destinations. Like probably if I say I have not been repeating my destination. Yeah, but definitely Europe. There are parts of Europe that I have seen and I love that.
Okay.
Yeah, and like probably Switzerland or probably Amsterdam is also another place in Europe. I love that place.
Yeah.
So Hungary. Yeah, Hungary. So there's not a particular destination that I would say, okay, fine. You know, last year also I went there. So this year also I'm going to be going. Okay. So my plan was like last year we had gone to Europe. We had covered Switzerland and we had covered 2-3 other countries. So this year we were thinking like last year when we had gone, we never knew that this thing is going to come. COVID and all those kind of things. Lockdown is going to be there. So we are planning of Greece and Italy for this year.
Okay.
Yeah. So we were like before last year we were planning that in 2020 we'll probably manage those countries.
Italy.
क्योंकि अभी क्या है मेरा जो छोटा बेटा है he is 1 year old.
Okay.
तो उसकी टिकट नहीं लगेगी. उसकी टिकट सस्ती हो जाएगी. I'm a very practical person.
समझदारी है.
हाँ. तो मैंने कहा उसकी 6 महीने बाद उसकी पूरी टिकट लगनी थी. तो मैंने कहा भाई पहले जाके कराया था.
अभी कर लो. एक पैसेंजर की सारी
लॉकडाउन हो गया.
अच्छा, talking about Bollywood and TV, who would you one actor or actress who you would rate a perfect 10 as per you?
One actor I would say perfect 10.
Yeah, actor or actress?
Actor or human being or probably the combined thing. I would okay, fine. I would say Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. Because of his energy, acting talent, everything.
Because of his energy, because of his acting talent, because of the versatility that he's portrayed, the kind of range that he has shown, I think he is just like tremendous.
Next level.
And a chilled out behavior, extremely chilled out. He give her rats.
I know. I understand. He gives a rat's ass to anything.
Rat's ass, yeah. He gives. मुझे नहीं पता था भाई शो में क्या बोल सकते हैं क्या नहीं बोल सकते. So मैंने अपनी तरफ से म्यूट कर दिया. So he gives a rat's ass. मतलब that's the attitude, yeah.
Yeah.
जो मैंने पहनना है, मेरा स्टाइल है, मेरा फ्रॉक पहनने का मन कर रहा है, फ्रॉक पहन के चला जाऊंगा. स्कर्ट पहननी जो that's give a damn. I love that attitude.
Till the time I am comfortable in it.
Yeah. Superb.
Yeah.
So that's what.
And do you remember when you first did your any acting? I mean, it can be college, school. Do you remember that?
Yeah, of course I remember.
Do we have
that was in school
behind it?
Huh?
Do we have an interesting story behind it? Your first.
There was this ad in our school. I was in the convent school, Pathankot. There was this ad. Bombay Dyeing, green lover, every night I hope and pray, green lover, he comes in the dream, something like that, if you remember.
Yes.
Growing up years, that ad used to be there, Bombay Dyeing or garden, something like that.
Right.
Vimal ki thi mere ख्याल.
No, it was Vimal.
Vimal, na?
Yes.
So I played the model in that ad, and there were like 3 girls, and apparently I was a very shy guy. I've been a very shy guy. And one of the girl, I admired her extremely. I extremely admired her. So I did that ad, and I wanted to be in this ad. That part of that ad only because of her. I still remember that. I must have been like probably 3rd or 4th, 4th, 5th standard. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what.
That's a long.
And that later on, she became my girlfriend. So that's how.
फायदा हो गया.
हाँ भाई फायदा फिर ब्रेकअप भी हो गया.
वो कोई नहीं. That's part and parcel of life. वो तो चलता रहता है. I'm sure.
Yeah, and that's part and parcel of life. That's there. Yeah, that's true.
In your cast that you've worked in so many series and you've worked with so many people, who according to you is one person who's really funny in real life?
Really funny in real life. There are a lot of people. There's so many actors in our show, this show as well. They're really funny. If probably I talk about Maharana, this actor, Shakti Anand.
Okay.
Yeah, he's a funny guy.
Okay.
Shakti Anand. He's a funny guy. He's got a good sense of humor. A lot of people are there.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. I'll just have to name one person, so I would say I'll probably take his name. Shakti is one person. Extremely good sense of humor.
Now, very quickly, you have to tell all the people watching this show, how would someone get your attention?
If that's a boy or a girl. Depends who.
Okay, let's talk about how would a girl get Ankur to notice her.
Girl, she doesn't have to do anything for me to notice her.
Yeah.
She doesn't have to
notice her anyways.
I'll notice her anyway.
Okay.
That's the gentleman in me, man. I mean, of course, she deserves a second look. So that's the gentleman in me. Otherwise, she'll feel bad.
Right.
I can't be rude.
Yes. That might be considered if you don't. So, this is the end of the series of one word, one line answer. Now, I have a few questions that might motivate and inspire people further. I mean, starting off with somebody who, as a co-actor, you really admire to work with, or you've already worked with them, or you wish you could work with them.
See, I have been a very lucky guy to have worked with amazing co-actors. My journey had begun with actors like Mr. Farooq Sheikh. I was doing Kashmir. So yes. I worked with him. Yeah. So I worked with him, and so I had a fantastic journey of working with fabulous actors, Farooq Sheikh, Neelam Azim, all this kind of people. So that era. So they are good actors. Then I would say, like, now when I come in recent times, Fazil in Maharana Pratap.
Yes.
He was. He's tremendous actor, extremely hardworking guy.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's always like you get inspiration from somewhere or the other, somewhere. And I'm a kind of person, I would like to take inspiration from things around. I mean, that's one thing I've seen about Fazil, like, he never gives up. Right. He never gives up. I'm talking about, like, when we're doing Maharana, okay, fine. Even if you've got the best of the takes, he's like, okay, fine, let me try one more. I want to do this, I want to do that. So I like that kind of fire. So a lot of actor, he is there, and now when I'm doing this show, even actor who's with me, we have amazing actors.
Neet and all, everyone is there. Yes.
Yeah, Neet is also a wonderful actor. Lokesh ji is a wonderful actor, and plus we have so many actors. In this show, like the prime cast, like 3 of us. The basic cast is 3 of us, and then in every story we have so many other actors coming in from Delhi. From the local cast, and they are fabulous actors. Fabulous actors. And so many times we think, "Arey yaar, jo char story pehle tha na, he was a good actor. She was a good actor. Let's. Why don't you take them there?" So that's how. I mean, like, it's good to be working with such wonderful team and such wonderful actors there.
Yes. And what do you see? What makes a good scene partner? I mean, if you have a certain scene, you have the script. What do you think while you are performing? जैसे आप एक shot दे रहे हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि उस shot में मेरा जो co-star है, co-actor है, उससे क्या एक expectation हमेशा रहती होगी? I'm sure.
यार depend करता है scene पे, क्या crime scene है, love making scene है.
I was actually talking about a scene in general. I would agree to you कि वो crime scene है या love scene है, वो देखना पड़ेगा. But still, I think एक अंदर expectation आती होगी.
मतलब यार एक expectation तो ये है कि we have to act as professionals. I'm more comfortable with people who are not insecure. It's like everything happens impromptu. A lot of things happen impromptu. When you probably, it's not like you can't just go by the book. मेरी line उस पे खत्म होती थी, तूने क्या बोला, अच्छा line उस पे. It's like we improvise so many times. Because the kind of the script we have, the scene, the way scene is written.
Right.
Writer has written it from a different point of view, and when we reach on the actual locations, things are different. The situation we have there is different. So most of the time, a lot of times, we have to make scene ourselves.
Right.
So it's always good to have those kind of actors who can incorporate the last minute changes, और ना मतलब ऐसा हो कि भाई अरे तूने मेरी अरे मतलब अगर लड़ाई वाला सीन है, अरे प्लीज मुझे डोंट टच मी यार, मुझे लगे ना यार, जस्ट बी केयरफुल
Okay.
मतलब आप when you're fighting, you have a fighting scene or probably anything like that, chasing around, so you can't be a delicate darling, you know.
Correct.
हो सकता है आपको भी लग जाए, मुझे भी लग जाए, किसी को भी, so we have to be a sport. So that's what I say.
Okay.
बाकी ये है लव मेकिंग सीन है तो ये है भाई, आप प्याज प्लीज अवॉइड कर लो, चिकन प्याज अवॉइड कर लो, बाकी तो ऐसा कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
कैमरा सबसे पहला क्रिटिक कैमरा ही होता है, सबसे पहले वही पकड़ कि भाई किसने प्याज खाया.
सही बात है.
Right. Are you a director's actor?
I am. In fact, the last story we did, like my wonderful director, so she told us in Savdhan itself, she told me, which was really nice, working these few stories. You are a director's actor, so I loved it. I mean, she gave me a wonderful compliment. I love it.
Right. So, one last question. If you had a magic wand, what would be one character that you would have wished to play in Bollywood, TVs, internationally, anything? I mean, you could wish for any character that you actually thought of playing. Ki hota na kash I could play this character.
यार ऐसे तो बड़े कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बट आई एम अ वेरी सेल्फिश पर्सन. आई वुड वांट कि मैं अगर ना मिशन इम्पॉसिबल कर सकता, द कैरेक्टर ऑफ टॉम क्रूज.
Ethan Hunt.
Ethan Hunt. I love Ethan Hunt.
Okay.
And the series Mission Impossible, और क्या है कि मतलब 6-7 सीरीज तो निकल चुकी हैं, तो मतलब इतना अपना एक फिक्स तो हो ही जाता.
Right.
That was so that I would have been there for, like, you know, Ethan Hunt, like so many series, and the sequels have been there. So एक वो चीज तो हो ही जाती. So I'm given a chance, I would love to do that.
And if given a chance of playing a staunchly romantic character, then
I would love that.
Because mostly you are into the action genre, and what if there is like a really rose pink, romantic character?
I would love that. I would love that as well. I would love that. Yeah.
Right.
Anything that comes, anything that is kind of different, where I have something to portray, where I have something to give to the audience, something new. I would love to do that, where I can explore and push myself. So that's something I'm always looking forward to.
Superb. So it was really nice talking to you, Ankur. I'm sure our viewers and subscribers have actually loved this conversation. Some things that they did not know about you at all. And I'm sure they are also penning down a few notes so that they can write in the comment box below. And I will make sure that it reaches Ankur directly.
भाई इतनी जल्दी इंटरव्यू खत्म कर दी. I'm enjoying it so much. You can't leave it like that. Yeah, I'm loving it. You can't leave it like that.
No, there are certain timelines also here. As Mahir in his last segment says that I believe in perfection, quality, and also adherence to timelines.
अगर ठीक है यार, भाई ने कह दिया तो ठीक है, मैं क्या बोलूं यार.
Right. Any last words that you would like to tell our subscribers and audiences to look forward for?
I would right now I would just say that I think there is nothing to panic. The world is a beautiful place. Everything is going to be great, and we all are enjoying. This is the time. ऐसा टाइम कभी जिंदगी में वापस नहीं आएगा. जो लॉकडाउन है, अभी हम बेशक क्रिप कर रहे हैं कि भाई ये क्या है, घर बंद बैठे हैं, ये पर ये टाइम जिंदगी में वापस नहीं आएगा. मुझे बेस्ट ऑफ दिस टाइम. ना बाहर ट्रैफिक है, एक सुकून है. मुझे मुंबई में लग रहा है, मुंबई में मतलब मेन रोड पे होने के बावजूद मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है भाई मैं कहीं फार्म हाउस जैसे, मतलब आप नीचे देखते हो तो कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, सड़कें खाली हैं. So I feel like it's a different place altogether. So let's enjoy all this that we have. दिल्ली भी ऐसे ही ना?
हाँ, इस वक्त ऐसे ही हो रखा है, बिल्कुल साफ एकदम, नीट एंड क्लीन. बर्ड्स, आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग बर्ड्स भी सुन सकते हैं आजकल तो.
सही बात है भाई. हमारे मुंबई तो फ्लेमिंगोज आ गई थी.
Yes, मैंने देखा था सोशल मीडिया पे. Right, Ankur ji, it was really nice to connect to you, and we hope that you get all the success and all your wishes. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज अंकुर जी के लिए कमेंट्स जरूर छोड़ें. आई विल मेक श्योर दैट these comments reach him directly and he can answer your questions, your fan mails himself. And do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, Ankur ji. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Sujay bhai. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, brother. Best of luck. Bye.
So this was Mr. Ankur Nayyar, who has won 1 million hearts through various roles in the Indian television industry through his super hit performances in TV series like Savdhan India, Kasauti Zindagi Ki and Maharana Pratap, to name a few. In conversation with me, Sujay Gupta, on Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. So signing off for now and hope to see you next Saturday with another guest जिनके साथ हम करेंगे बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बातें. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें एंड ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें. Till next Saturday, I wish and I hope that you stay safe and stay protected. Till then, take care. Namaskar.